everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is just a Malibu convertible. It's been cloned, or a SS tribute car. Beautiful car, though, guys. This car is within the last year, it went through a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration. This car is as nice on the bottom as it is on the top, and just beautiful, man. Finished in Marlboro red metallic. It's got the black vinyl interior, new black convertible top on it. Pretty car, man. Like I say, completed. Car was completed within the last year, so there's not very many miles on it since the car was restored. A couple little things that we're going to do to it. I ordered seat belts for it. They never put the seat belts back in it, and I also ordered the new convertible boot for it. Nice car, though, man. Good running big block. It says 396, but it's actually got a 454 in it. 400 turbo trans, power steering, power disc brakes. Nice car, man. Slick paint. Like I say, it's fresh, so there's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. Pretty color. I'm glad we got some sunshine so you can see this thing pop. And it's a 67 convertible. These things are just on fire right now. A buddy of mine found this car for me down in Kentucky. You can see the chrome and stainless is really nice. Pretty car, man. Glass is nice. You can see how nice that dash is in there. Interior's really nice. Again, we've ordered seat belts for it. New top. It is a manual top. I put it up and down myself, though. Very easy to manage. The only thing I saw, I'll show you when I get to the other side. I saw a little light spot in the clear in one spot on the car. It's really all I really seen, man. Pretty car. Sorry, guys. That's just a little dust on those. See, the car's nice and flat down the sides. It's got 17-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. This is a pretty car, though, man. If you want me just to nitpick, you can see a little run in the clear there. But again, man, I'm just nitpicking it to death for you is all I'm doing. Pretty set of wheels. Converted it to front disc brakes. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors. And when you see the bottom of this car, man, it's stunning. Again, good running big block. It's actually a 454. Of course, 396 was standard in these cars, so they've got it all badged up as a 396. 4-barrel stock intake, stock GM exhaust manifolds, power steering. You can see it's got power front disc brakes. I mean, look how nicely this thing's detailed up. Gorgeous car. HEI distributor, 400 trans. Big block radiator with a shroud. And like I say, detailed up. I mean, just pretty. Looks like it's got a new steering box on it. Sorry, guys. That looks like a little bit of spray wax that the guys in there wiping it down missed. Well, that's a pretty car, man. Pretty paint. A-pillar chrome's nice. Mirrors are new. You can see the rubber around here is really nice. Looks like it's got new mirrors on it, new cat whiskers, new door rubbers. Got your little mark of excellence tag on there. And a little nick in the door rubber there. Stock black interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. I think even the doggone clock in the console works. Steering wheel's really nice. Blinker tach, which I think is one of the coolest options GM ever offered. And it does work. The tach works. 57,000. I'm assuming that's probably the original miles. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio. I know that works. Yeah, the little clock in there works. Again, it is a manual top. Works very easy. I put it up and took a picture of it. It's brand new. That's what I was talking about. There's a little light spot right here in the clear. Again, not hideous, but I see it, so I try to show it to you. Nice car though. You can see them. The jams are really nice. And like I say, you get this thing up in the air, it's just gorgeous underneath. All body color. It's got the spare with a hubcap. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Pretty car, man. Oh, shoot. I missed the underneath, guys. Start getting ahead of myself. Look how nice that thing is, man. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, no big monster gear, probably like a 323. Doors are nice and clean. Oh yeah, there's a little scrape in the paint right there. Again, seat belts and boot, and the convertible boot is on the way. Dash is nice. Gauges are all nice and clean. Console's in real good shape. I think that little light back there was even hooked up. Yep, it's working. Go ahead, fire it up, Jordy. And door handle's nice. New mirrors. The A-pillar clone's definitely been replaced. That's really nice. Again, nothing crazy. You know, just a pretty much stock big block. No big cam or anything. It does have hardened valve, so it runs on pump gas. I can only tell you, I've only put about 2 miles on this car. Jordy's definitely driven it further than I have. It seems to be a good car. See a little blinker tach in there working. Gauges look like they're all working. They're all functional. Yep, clock does work. I know the backup lights work. Jordy's backing it up. I seen the backup lights work. Yeah. Nice car, man. Really nice car. Radio works?
Yeah, just can't find a station.
Okay. But it does come on and everything. I know the blower motor does work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Great way to keep in touch with us. Our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Should be a little button there on the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Anything here, think that what that is, a little spray wax, guys. I think the guys missed it.